everybody, what's up? This is Danny, the Wicked Awesome Gardener, coming at you from the Wicked Awesome Grow Room. I was not going to post another video today. I had already posted part 1 of my series on seeding tomatoes and going over the tomato varieties that I'm going to be growing this year. But then I checked my mail. Check it out, check it out, check it out. I'm so excited. Ta-da! I have a Wicked Awesome Gardening t-shirt and I love it. I don't know that I'm going to have these available for purchase or anything like that. I'm just really excited to have it for my own use. We'll see. Maybe I'll put up a merch shop. I don't know. This channel is really in its infancy, and who knows where it's going to go from here. I'm just really excited. I love my shirt. I'm going to, put Wicked Awesome Gardening on my little seedlings, and I'm actually starting to think maybe I might even start trying to harvest and sell seed. It just sounds really fun just to get some really funky varieties out there in my local area. Who knows? Who knows where this is going? All I know is that I love my new shirt and I love my garden, and I just love actually doing this channel way more than I thought I would. So I don't know. This is just the thing now. All right, I'm going to sign off. Please do, if you haven't already, like and subscribe. Share our channel out to your friends, especially your friends who grow gardens or who have an interest in maybe starting a garden, just so we can share the amazing fun of growing something awesome from our yard to table. All right, guys, see you later.